Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and taste the Pierre Marcolini Malline of Saveurs du Monde. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box of Pierre Marcolini Les Saveurs du Monde are 25 fine dark chocolate pieces from 5 different parts of the world. And just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. And on the underside of the box, there is some information about the dark chocolate pieces from 5 different parts or regions of the world. And there is some nutrition information as well, or nutrition data, and an ingredients list. So this box of 25 dark chocolate pieces has a weight of 100 grams. Now let's go ahead and open it up by sliding out the outer box sleeve and just setting that to the side, setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop, and then giving you a look at the inner box itself. So once again, just checking through, and there is a label on the box as well, so giving you a look at the details. That's on the label of this 100-gram box of fine dark chocolate. Now let's go ahead and open it up by lifting up the box lid, and also just setting the lid on the side and giving you a look inside of the box. And let's pop out the top sheet of product information, so giving you a look at the fine print in various languages of this box of Pierre Marcolini Malline of Saveurs du Monde. Okay, and just setting that on the right hand side, but before I do that, I can actually flip it open and see the contents and details of the chocolate pieces. So product information about the chocolate pieces inside of this box of Saveurs du Monde from Pierre Marcolini. So there we go, the 5 different countries or regions: São Tomé, Bali, Madagascar, Peru and Cuba. And on the opposite page, there appears to be the same information in French. Okay, and now we can set that right down to the side, setting on the right hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look directly inside of the box. Let's lift up the clear plastic tray or protector and giving you a look directly inside of this box of Pierre Marcolini Malline of Saveurs du Monde. So once again, total weight of the chocolates is 100 grams, so 25 pieces altogether, 5 pieces from each of the 5 regions. So giving you a close-up look at these dark chocolate squares. And now let's go ahead and pop out the first piece and try it. So this is the São Tomé piece. So let's see if we can give you a look at the black text that's on the chocolate square, and giving you an overall look at the details of the piece. Alright, let's go ahead and break it in half just so you can see the details, the cross section of the chocolate piece. And now let's go ahead and taste it. So a very smooth piece, and it's not too bitter, so very nice texture to it without being too sweet either. So a kind of nicely balanced piece of dark chocolate. Now let's go with the next piece. This is the Bali piece. So you can see just about that very small print in black on that dark chocolate. So once again, just very simple square design, nothing fancy. And now let's go ahead and break it in half as well, giving you a look at its cross section. And now let's go ahead and taste the Bali piece. So that was slightly fruity in taste compared to the São Tomé piece. São Tomé actually now feels kind of earthy tasting compared to the Bali. So Bali slightly spicier, just marginally spicier compared to the São Tomé piece, which was kind of earthy and very smooth, but they both are quite smooth to the taste. So now this one is the Madagascar piece, so giving you a look at that long text in black spelling out Madagascar. So once again we see that typical square chocolate piece. Now let's go ahead, break it in half, give you a look right across the cross section of the chocolate. Let's go ahead and taste it. So the Madagascar piece, which I just tasted, has a much fruitier flavor than the Bali piece just before it, but also once again very smooth in texture. Now let's try the next piece. Let's take a look at this Peru piece. And break it in half. So that's the cross section, and let's taste the Peru piece. So very consistent in smoothness and of course texture right across so far of the 4 pieces. And with this Peru piece, tastes very nutty and earthy, so very kind of normal tasting, yet very, very delicious. And now let's go ahead and lift out the last piece of the 5 different regions of cocoa beans. This one is from Cuba, or uses Cuban beans. So giving you a look just about at the text that's on it. And once again that overall look. And let's break it in half. Giving you a look at the cross section. Now let's go ahead and taste the Cuba piece. So the Cuba piece has a mild fruitiness to it and does have that faintly darker or slightly more bitter taste to it compared to the rest. But nonetheless, giving you an overall look right here and some idea of the chocolate pieces from this Pierre Marcolini Saveurs du Monde, or Malline of Saveurs du Monde box of 25 dark chocolate squares with a combined or total weight of 100 grams. So that's the Pierre Marcolini Malline of Saveurs du Monde. Thanks for watching and happy eating!